Do you want to discover the 7 key principles of affiliate marketing that guarantee sales? In fact, these principles are a must follow roadmap to transform from a beginner to a millionaire. Start applying these principles today and unlock the potential to earn big online. Principle number 1: Know your niche. Before starting affiliate marketing, make sure to choose a profitable niche. What is a niche? Niche is a subset market. For example, if health is a market, weight loss for women is a niche. If digital marketing is a market, blogging is a niche. So do market research and discover your audience's needs, interests, and problems in your niche. For instance, if you are promoting weight loss products, understand different diets, supplement needs, and challenges individuals face in their weight loss journey. Principle number 2: Use copywriting. Copywriting is the art and science of persuading people through the power of written words to take a specific action, such as buying a product or downloading a free book. Without copywriting, you cannot convince people to purchase a product or to take a specific action. In fact, I couldn't manage to convert my Facebook traffic into sales for the first time in 2014 until I applied the principles of copywriting. Try to persuade your audience through your written words on your landing page, sales page, or email marketing to choose your product over your competitors. If you are promoting a weight loss product, highlight the unique benefits and show them how your weight loss solution can help them achieve a slimmer body quickly. Principle number 3: Choose successful products. If your copywriting is good but your offer is not satisfying your customers' needs, you cannot make sales. So choose a product that has already made at least 3 to 5,000 sales for the creator and affiliate marketers. ClickBank, GVZoo, and Digistore are good marketplaces to look for products. Moreover, you can search on Google to find the perfect offers. Principle number 4: Provide value. Providing valuable content to your audience builds credibility and trust. In order to build relationship with your customers, make sure to provide informative content around their problems. For example, if you are in the fitness niche, create informative videos demonstrating workout techniques, share nutritional tips, or offer downloadable guides on achieving specific fitness goals. Principle number 5: Pick your channel. There are many types of affiliate marketing channels, such as email marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, blogging, or having a YouTube channel. Choose one according to your skills and knowledge. For example, if you are good at running ads on Facebook, you can start with Facebook marketing. If your advertising skills are not good, you can go to udemy.com and purchase a course for $10 to $15 and start improving your Facebook advertising skills. Principle number 6: Build your email list. Email marketing is the foundation of affiliate marketing because it makes you $36 for only $1 spent, according to recent studies by Litmus.com. Almost 90% of affiliate marketers have a huge email list that allows them promote their affiliate offers without relying on Facebook and Google ads. Moreover, Facebook advertising policies very strict and most ads are getting rejected by Facebook. especially weight loss related ads. So it's best to build your email list without any problem. Principle number 7. Master market research. Market research is the process of understanding your customers' needs and wants. Without market research, you cannot find your audience's desires. If your target customer is weight loss for women, you have to find trending topics, products, and solutions for them. If you want to find a profitable niche that make millions of dollars for affiliate marketers, click on the screen to watch or in the description below.